Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful video for you today. Now I'm going to show you in this video how to make a super powerful hair growth spray, and this is using rice water and onion juice. Yes, onion juice. I'm going to show you how to grow your hair even faster using this concoction. Onion juice mixed with rice water will strengthen your hair. So if your hair is damaged or weak, this is the hair treatment for you. You can freeze leftover juice, so you can make a batch of this and freeze it until needed. You can use this treatment 1 to 2 times a week or whenever you shampoo. If you don't have any rice water on hand, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make some right away. What you do is, in a small pan, put 1 to 2 cups of water into the pan. And then you're going to rinse you're going to rinse 1 cup of rice, get all the pollutants and dirt off of it, and you're going to add that to your water. Next, you're just going to stir it, mix it up a little bit, and you're going to boil it for at least 5 minutes just to get enough starch to develop in the water. Now you're going to need 1 medium-sized white or red or yellow onion, preferably white or yellow. Now you're going to cut this into cubes because we're getting ready to use our juicer to extract the juices from the onion. If you don't have a juicer, then you can put it in your blender or food processor and crush it up, get it, mince it up as fine as can be into like a paste, and then you can use cheesecloth to squeeze out the actual juice from the onion. So I'm going to show you the way of the juicer. So right now I cut it into large pieces because now we're getting ready to put it into the juicer for the juice. So now we're going to get ready to put all of our onions into the juicer just to get that wonderful onion juice. I am really loving the modern convenience of juicing. Next, you will need a spray bottle of your choice because we're going to be transferring everything into your spray bottle. You're also going to need an essential oil of your choice, but today I will be using lavender oil. Now we need to also pour and strain our rice water that we were boiling on the stove. So we're going to transfer that first, strain it into our bottle. Next, we're going to pour in our onion juice. So pour that all inside. Now the onion juice will be very strong in smell, but don't worry, we're going to get rid of that smell right away. Now we're getting ready to add in our essential oils. Today I'm going to be using the lavender oil, and you're going to use 1 to 2 teaspoons of essential oil into your mixture. Now I'm just going to top off the rest, and our spray is ready. Okay, so we're going to mix that up really well, and now we're getting ready to go to the bathroom. Now it's time to wash your hair. So before I add in the spray, I'm going to do a first wash and get my hair clean before adding in the onion and rice water spritz. So I'm going to be shampooing with my Nile shampoo, which is full of wonderful berries. Okay, so after your first wash, now it's time to add in your onion rice water spritz. It's best that you get yourself prepared with your towel because this is going to be very messy if you're not doing it in the shower. So first, get your towel and wrap it around your shoulders. Now saturate your hair from scalp all the way down to tip, getting all of the rice water throughout your scalp as well as throughout the length of your locks. So now that your hair is all saturated with the spritz, we're going to get it ready just for steaming actually. So we're going to sit with this on our head for at least an hour. So find a plastic bag, little grocery bag. If you have those little plastic beauty caps, that's fine too. And just tie it on there and leave it on for 30 minutes to 60 minutes. Then after an hour, we'll be back to wash this out. Alright you guys, so I am back. It's been an hour later and I am about ready to get this crap out of my hair because it stinks. Alright, even though the lavender oil tones down the scent of the onions, you could still kind of smell it. So I'm getting ready to wash it thoroughly now. You actually wash your hair first, then you apply the mist of the rice water and lemon juice concoction mixed together. Let it stay on your hair for 30 minutes to an hour. I decided to do an hour, okay? Wanted to give my hair that extra love. Now I'm going to rinse it out. Well, not just rinse it out. I'm going to re-shampoo it out with my Nile Long and Strong shampoo. Okay, this has all sorts of natural berries and it's just a wonderful thing. I got this at my Pakistani store. It has Rita, blackberry, lavender, and amla. Okay, all good things, wonderful blessings for your hair. All right, next I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner. This is something different. Well, one of the things I found was my Infusium 23, okay, original leave-in treatment. And this is if you want to infuse hair with 23 essential pro vitamins and treatment ingredients. Instantly repairs, strengthens damaged hair, fortifies hair cuticles, healthy texture, improves manageability and liveliness. All right, so this corrects, restores, and structurizes your hair. All right, so I'm going to use this in there. After that, I'm also going to put in my lemongrass leave-in conditioner. I love the way this smells and the way it makes your hair feel. And then lastly, I'm going to be using my growth oil concoction that I created. All right, a lot of you have been asking me, when is it going on sale? When will I be able to start selling it to you guys? Hold on, don't worry. It's a coming, okay? It's a coming. So let me get this, let me get this stuff off my hair because it smells like pits and funky coochie. I ain't lying. All right, you guys, so I am back and I washed out my rice water onion juice. And I really don't smell it that much. Now, if you're loose natural, you won't smell it at all. So I'm gonna put in my leave-in conditioner right now. And just gonna saturate my locks with this. And this is the Infusium 23. And what this is gonna do is just repair and strengthen my hair follicles. Okay, this is all about hair growth, y'all. All about hair growth. And I'm going to do an update on my edges because as you can see, okay, alright, they're coming along nicely. All my little baby locks is just popping all over the place. Alright, and next I'm going to use my lemongrass leave-in conditioner from Alakay Naturals. I love this stuff. It smells really good. And this is also going to give my hair a really nice smell to it. It's also going to soften my locks. It's going to give it that nourishing feeling, that hydration. Now, I don't use regular conditioner in my hair, so I use leave-in conditioners to give it that softness and that moisturizing feeling. And this stuff smells so good. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to seal in all the moisture with my hair growth oil. And I love to use this on my scalp. Alright, and that's it, y'all. That's it. Give my hair some love and also feed it with that nice strength building mask. Okay, it's always good to do a hair mask, a deep conditioning in your hair, especially in the winter time, but also just on a regular, so that you're revitalizing your hair, feeding it back the nutrients that it needs, and also using natural ingredients, even from your herbs, your vegetables. Onions is wonderful. Onions and garlic is wonderful for promoting hair growth. So that's what we're doing right now, okay? Strengthening our hair. All right. And that's it. All right. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful Give My Hair Some Love Day. Please forgive me. It's hot in this bathroom. And again, until the next video, I got something new coming your way, so stay tuned for that. But until the next video, I will see you then.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.